Okay.
Good morning, everyone. We will have our opening bids today, July 31, 2026, for 1 goods and 3 civil works projects. Before we begin, let's first determine if we have a quorum. So present today are the following. Yours truly, Maria Cristina Adintola, the Vice Chairperson. We also have the back members, Mr. Richard De Jesus, Engineer Rodolfo Magdamo Jr., Engineer Agnes Padua, Engineer Cristina Marie Becky, and we present are the heads of the back secretariat, Engineer Maria Joyce Amujo, and the head also of the PWG, Engineer Henry John Benzon, together with their respective members. For the back secretariat members, Mr. Erwin Martinez and Engineer Amir B. Jr. and Ms. Angelique Ugalde. For the PWG member, we have Engineer Adeline Wilson. So we have a quorum. We can begin with the first, the sole bid opening for goods, PR number 2605018. The contract name, purchase of spare parts for repair of Nissan NV350 with plate number SEA 2386, utilized by planning and design section of this office with a BDC of 91,908 pesos and contract duration of 10 calendar days. So we have a sole bidder, Rojan Rides Auto Works.
So we have a loan bidder for PR number 260501. Rojan Rides of Works. Omnibus Service Statement attached. We have the mayor's permit from the city of Legazpi, valid until December 31, 2026. We have the DTI certificate, valid until March 9, 2028. Attached is certificate of registration from Bureau of Internal Revenue. Tax student certificate for reading, valid until September 10, 2026. Attached is certificate of Builders Platinum membership, valid until October 21, 2026. Attached also is the brochure for the proposed study.
Rojan Rides Auto Works has the technical requirements. Please read the financial legal values.
So for the big price offer, we have 90,500 pesos to 90500.0.
Since the sole bidder both pass the financial and technical requirements, said bidder will undertake the post-qualification process. So that ends the bidding for the goods. Let's start with the bidding for the civil works projects. First project is 36FB0021. We have a sole bidder, Joe Penn Construction and Supply. So based on this result of the CWA processing, the sole bidder has passed the eligibility requirements. So let me read the details of 36FB0021. The contract name is Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Integration Program, Construction, Upgrading, Rehabilitation of Drainage on National Roads, Secondary Roads, Legazpi City-Punta Road, A0561 plus 230 Road, and A0561 plus 512. Contribution is Malabago Manito Albay with an ADC of 5,097,315 pesos and 32 centavos and project duration of 122 calendar days. Please open the financial bid submitted by Joven Construction Supply.
So we have a bidder for 26 applications. Open discussion. Bid security declaration, signed and authorized. Attached is the statement of all government and credit products awarded to advantage. Attached also is a statement of the single largest completed contract similar to the contract. Organizational chart, signed. List of the key personnel with their qualification data. Attached is the accreditation for the professional project engineer valid until December 16, 2026. Attached also is the accreditation for the materials engineer one valid until April 21, 2021. List of the major construction equipment such as contract, signed. List of the minimum testing equipment purchasing contract, signed. Since it is a road project, attaches this straight-line diagram, omnibus sworn statement, signed and authorized. Sworn affidavit of eligibility to the official ownership attached. We have the NFCC amounting to 350 million. Sworn disclosure of no relation to any of the top members of the working group, top secretariat, computing entity, and managing and company. Integrity pledge attached. Attached also is the ISO certification valid until May 15.
Since global construction and supply has passed technical requirements, these bids submitted financial bid requirements.
For international component, we have bid 4, bid of quantities, bid of estimate, summary of bid prices, cash flow by quarter and billing schedule signed.
First,
Bid amount is 4,974,979 pesos and 75 centavos. 4,974,979.7.
global construction and supply has passed both the technical and financial bid requirements and will undergo the post-qualification process. Let's proceed with the second civil works project for BP 26FB0022. Organizational outcome: ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction of paving, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Legazpi City, Punta de Jesus, K0576 plus 600 to K0577 plus 169. Project duration is advanced to Albay with an ABC of 8,642,055 pesos and 14 centavos and the project duration of 150 calendar days. We have three eligible bidders based on the result of the CWA processing. First bidder is Reconstruction and Supply.
So for our first bidder, answer, construction and supply. Bid security declaration, signed and authorized. Integrity pledge attached. Organizational chart signed. List of contractors, key personnel, their signed contract signed. Use of the reconstruction equipment, that should be possible. Okay, touch yung straight line tayo. Choose the Rehabilitation for Materials Engineer, validated April 7, 2020. May mga report. List of the minimum testing equipment, City-Punta, sign. Omnibus or statements, signed and authorized. NFCC amounting to 73,405,000. Since this is yung statement of all the ongoing yung statement of all ongoing projects.
And somebody will share that.
Yung statement of all ongoing.
The statement of all ongoing projects is included in the technical requirements of correct? It's yung last one.
Opo. So, yung statement of all ongoing. Kasi check ko sa inyo.
Please, ready.
All ongoing. Statement of manufacturing. Statement of opinion testing. Statement of opinion testing on the use. Partnership where we
Albay construction and supply did not must include in their technical documents a statement of all ongoing projects. So their bids failed to, or is not failed to pass the non-compliance. So we will not open the financial review because of the said bidder. So let's proceed with the second bidder, Geminus Builders and General Supply.
So we have avenues. Particular declarations and notarized. Statement of ongoing projects. And statement of single records completed products here in the bottom of the video batch. Statement of all ongoing projects, private and government contracts. Organizational chart signed. List of the key personnel with their qualification data. Attaches a report of rating for the project engineer. Attaches the accreditation for the materials engineer 1, valid until October 15, 2026. List of the major construction equipment that City-Punta signed. List of the minimum testing equipment that City-Punta signed. Omnibus sworn statements signed and notarized. Cert affidavit of eligibility and official ownership attached. NFCC amounting to 480 million. Everything very check.
Proceed. The last bidder, Local Construction and Supply.
Okay, for the technical component of two. Bid security declarations, signed and notarized. Statement of bidders, all ongoing government in private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Statement of the bidder's single largest company contracts, individual contract. Organizational chart, signed. List of the key personnel with their qualification of staff. Attaches the certificate of accreditation for the provisional project engineer valid until December 16, 2026. Attaches the application of the materials engineer 1 valid until April 21, 2023. List of the key personnel and list of the major construction equipment purchasing contracts signed. List of the minimum technical purchasing contracts signed. Straight line diagrams, this is the road project. Omnibus term statements and lines, third affidavits of eligibility and official ownership attached. NFCC amount limitation, storm disclosure declaration to any of the top members and the Secretary of the PWH, negative pension attached, and ISO certificate attached.
Revenues to this material supply and related construction and supply, both para pass the technical requirements is open the financial documents.
So we have GEMS. Bid form, bill of quantity, seeded estimate, standard of finished prices, cash flow by quarter, and payment schedule, signed fast. Bid amount is 8,469,328 pesos and 36 centavos. 8,469,328.36. GEMS.
Check.
So, okay. Bid form, bill of quantity, seal estimate, summary of unit prices, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule, signed fast. Bid amount is 8,395,518 pesos and 66 centavos. 8,395,518.6.
The lowest red bid was European construction and supply with the bid amount of 8,995,518 pesos and 60 centavos in a variance of 185. Let's proceed to our last civil project for bidding. 26 FB 0023. Organizational outcome. Ensure safe and reliable national food system. Asset preservation program. Rehabilitation. Reconstruction. Activity of damaged paved roads, secondary roads. Legazpi City-Punta Road. A0557 plus 769 A0558 plus 000. Project location is at Albay with a vacancy of 1,110,351 pesos and 97 centavos and a project duration of 96 calendar days. We have two eligible bidders based on the result of the CWA processing. First bidder is Gemelos, Builders, and General Plan.
We have terminals. Bid secure and declaration, standard balance. Statement of the single purchase complete contract similar to the project review. Organizational chart sign, list of the key personnel with their qualification to be that. Report of rating for the project review. circular regulation for the project, for the materials engineering, valid until October 15, 2026. List of the major construction equipment actually contract. List of the minimum designated actually contract signed. Omnibus term statement, Senate authorized, NFCC amount to 480 million. Statement of all ongoing contracts, including already awarded but haven't started in government and private sector attached. Written diagram, integrity pledge attached.
Our next bidder is Reconstruction and Supply.
For our next bidder, Reconstruction and Supply. Bid declarations and authorized. Statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Statement of the single largest contract similar to the contract with organizational chart. To be doing List of the key personnel with your verification data. Attached is the presentation of the official project engineer valid until December 16, 2026. Attached is the presentation of the materials engineer valid until April 21, 2029. List of the major construction equipment treasury contract signed with certificate companies. List of the minimum testing equipment treasury contract with certification of availability. Straightened diagram, City-Punta project. Omnibus term statement, signed notarized. Cert affidavit of eligibility, individual ownership attached. NFCC amounting to 154 million pesos. Sworn disclosure of relation to any non-relation to any of the passenger. Integrity pledge attached. ISO certificate valid until May 15, 2029 attached.
Have you passed the technical bid requirements? That's only on the technical bid that was submitted by this bidder.
So we have Jamius. Bid form, bid of quantity, sealed estimate, several unit prices, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule, signed. Bid amount is 4,126,859 pesos and 58 centavos. 4,126,859.5. We have Trojan. Bid form, bid of quantities, bid estimate, summary of bid prices, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule, signed. Bid amount is 4,105,040 pesos and 85 centavos. 4,105,040.85. And the lowest
So this is Reconstruction and Supply. The bid with a bid amount of 4,105,040 pesos and 85 centavos and a margin of -2.5. Are there any concerns in regards to today's meeting? There being none, I hereby adjourn today's bid opening. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.